Wow, this place is amazing. I know, right? Wait, we are getting off track right now. We need to find Broadmoor Insane Asylum. And fast. Yes, sir. I think I found it. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Wait, what? This jail name says Parkour Gym. That's a dumb name for crying out loud. Agreed. Let's go in. Okay.
I found the p50s. I need to get them.
Oh my god. This jail is huge. Yeah, but there's obstacles. Oh great. Get ready to do some parkour. For CS8's sake. Am I going for it? Hey, watch this. Instructions. There are hard, medium, and easy parkour and crazy stuff. I wish you good luck out there. Signed, Carter. Watch out. I don't wanna lose you. Okay. Okay.
Ah, obstacles. I'll do great because I am the king of singularity.
Okay. We made it past the fifth checkpoint. 5 more to go. We have to do this to save CS8.
I'm gonna buy tickets to Broadmoor. Can't wait.